Good morning, everybody. Today is day 598 of our product hunt streak. So we're going to jump right in here. You can see here it's day 598. It's 5:30 on September 3rd. So we'll click in here. We go to the longest streaks. Scroll down. It should be around number 26. And yep, there I am. So number 26. Very happy with that. And we'll jump right in. So for the first 4 hours of the day, they hide upvotes to help products get a chance to catch your interest. And so you can see here, here's the featured launches for today. And we'll just jump in here. So one movie for iOS. Find your movie to watch instantly. Okay. Check that one out. Nomad Insurance, built by Nomads for Nomads. User Flows by Nudge. Excuse me. Per user database starter, build a database per user apps. Screen hint, always visible snapshots. Let's check that out. Recall, summarize anything, never forget nothing. Neo Beta 1X technology, a humanoid robot. Oh, this is cool. Saw the video for that, so I definitely want to check that out. Social post to blogs. Shut up and breathe. I like that name. Netflix auto skip, automatically skip intros. Let's see. Perimeter. Jamboss generates songs for friends, family with AI. Okay, let's get through some of these. So one movie for iOS. Find your movie to watch instantly with one movie. Do any videos? No? Okay. Hey, Product Hunt. Let's see here. We aim to simplify movie discovery so that you don't spend 45 minutes scrolling through a streaming platform when you want to relax in front of the TV. This project is our baby and we're eager to grow. Cool. Okay, so it looks like it's just a movie discovery platform. I like the idea. Screen hint, always visible snapshots. Let's see what this is here. Okay, so it looks like a powerful screenshot tool. Photographic memory at your fingertips. Think visually. With screen hint, you can create floating resizable sticky notes. That's pretty cool. I think that's cool for times where you might want to actually just remember part of a website instead of having a million tabs open. So I really like that idea a lot. We'll hit upvote. Let's see their webpage. Yeah, I think there's a lot of value in that. I mean, I use what is this extension called? OneTab. I use OneTab because I usually have a million tabs open and clear them out that way. But if I could just screenshot the important thing on a web page that I cared about, that would be pretty cool. So very cool idea. All right, this is really cool. Automatically upvote. I've seen it. Let's watch this video.
Yeah.
The advancements here are just absolutely amazing. That's a humanoid robot. Safe, intelligent, and scalable. Neo is your intelligent Android assistant. So it's a robot for the home. Let's look at their webpage too. There he is, Neo. I mean, it just looks so cool. Neo's vision and movement can be quickly taken over by remote human operator if you need support. His body is engineered, muscle-like anatomy, hydraulics so that they're strong and gentle like we are. So cool. You can walk, jog, climb stairs, and navigate your space naturally as they move and perform. They get more efficient. So probably machine learning. So cool. Pretty wild to think that we're here, right? Like our future is here. This is just one. So it'll be interesting to see what else comes out. I love that though. Okay, let's check out here. Shut Up and Breathe, your daily 2 minutes of peace. So I love the name. Very straightforward. Talk about simple and straightforward. I love the tagline. Your 2 minutes of peace. So you just shut up and breathe.
Take a deep breath in. Hold it for a few moments. Now slowly exhale. Feel the tension leaving your body as you release your breath. Take another deep breath in. Hold it and exhale slowly. With each breath,
I love it.
Feel yourself becoming more and more relaxed. Breathe in deeply, filling your lungs completely. Hold it for a few seconds and exhale, letting go of any stress or worries. As you continue to breathe deeply and slowly, begin to focus.
Cool. So kind of like that workout we saw where there was a workout one earlier. It was like 7 minutes of hell or something like that. These simple, straightforward names are pretty cool. A simple meditation app designed to help you find 2 minutes of peace wherever you are. I say this all the time. I say this a lot. I think that sometimes if we can just stop and take a deep breath, makes everything okay when you're feeling so overwhelmed. I think it's cool. All right, last one. Let's look at this Jamboss here. Generate songs for friends and family with AI. Okay.
Hey Mike, the trip day turned to 7-0. Got your trains all lined up, putting on the show. Put steamers to the diesels, always in the know. You're a legend in the hobby, let's let the love flow. Happy birthday to the best at around 7. Happy birthday to the best at around 7.
Cool. It's fun. I mean, these things are so fun. So you can pick different genres, you create from lyrics, and you share in one tap. Very cool idea. Like the name Jamboss. Generate, and a very simple, straightforward tagline. Again, super fun. Everyone gets 20 free songs, which is enough for most. You can make songs from a prompt. It's designed to be easy enough for anyone to use. Build on. I like it. Let's look at the webpage. Cool. This is awesome. Very well done. A rock song from my boss Michael, who always arrives late.
Yet here we sit, we just begun. Coffee, cold papers, pile high. Where's the king of this? Coffee, cold papers, pile high. Where's the king of this?
Okay, what's this one? Jenny, I love you and your ugly robot drawings. Okay, cool. This is awesome. I love it. What is this? This one doesn't have anything here. Oh, they actually did a song out of the frequently asked questions.
How does AI music work? AI music works by using algorithms to analyze large amounts of musical data, learning patterns such as melody.
This is great. This is just really great. I love this. But yeah, that's it. Let's just wrap these up. This is again, this was day 598 of our product hunting together, and I appreciate you coming here. I hope you find some value in this, and we'll see you for the next one. Thanks.